It took 50 seconds to start?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks everyone for joining us this morning and welcome to San Francisco. What you just saw on that video was the opening of our latest store in Westlake, China. It's in Hangzhou, China. It is an incredible place and it's a gorgeous new design. The architecture is amazing with a cantilevered second floor. It's absolutely breathtaking. And it's the perfect place to
Skip.
Next up is iPhone. iPhone not only created a category, it created a benchmark by which all other smartphones are measured. iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus are widely considered the best smartphones in the world. Recently,
I think so.
we sold our 700 millionth iPhone. Now, iPhone is growing stronger than ever. And in fact, if you look at last quarter, we sold at a rate of double, the rate of growth of double the industry. This is phenomenal for business this big to be growing by 50%. This propelled iPhone to be the top selling smartphone in the world.
I've spent a large part of my career focused on a number of different diseases, from obesity, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and one of the problems has really been around our ability to understand what's actually going on in those diseases.
The key to understanding health and disease is research and data.
What all researchers want is measured, quantitative, objective data.
Well, up until now, when somebody wanted to do a research study, they might, put up a bunch of flyers around and hope somebody comes along and tears off the phone number. Methods for conducting medical research haven't really changed in decades.
We have sent out over 60,000 letters. Those 60,000 letters have netted 305 women.
We really do need to transform how we do research. And the iPhone, with an ability to collect data, could be a powerful tool for research.
ResearchKit is a framework. It's a framework that enables medical researchers to more easily design the apps that they're going to use for clinical studies.
We're talking about trying to change the scale of the amount of data that you can collect. Going from data that might be collected, say, once every 3 months, to data that's collected, say, once every second.
The iPhone's being carried now by millions of people all over the world. So to think that this device that you use to check your mail or Facebook can be used to battle disease is really simply amazing.
The concept that I could kick out a survey to patients every day, every week, that would show up on their phone and would actually improve their health and our ability to care for them. That's a game changer. That is awesome.
We can now engage unprecedented numbers of individuals in large geographic areas, many of which have never been able to participate in research.
Half of the Parkinson patients in the world is in China. China has the largest number of mobile phone users, which means that we can collect more information so that can give us more accurate estimate on things for the research purpose.
What we're building into this platform are simple structured tests that people can go through, things like tapping or a voice test. And this can all be done using the built-in sensors on the device and a little bit of code.
One of the things that ResearchKit will do is put people at the center of research, giving people the insights and the tools they need to live better and healthier lives.
It's going to change research for every condition that's out there, and that just makes it very accessible to patients. The easier you can make it for people to participate, the better off you're going to be.
I want to leave a legacy for my granddaughter. Maybe when she's 25, they'll come up with, oh wow, that research study that was done in 2015, with the iPhone was really key in making a breakthrough on how we can better help asthmatics. She'll say, wow, my grandma was a part of that.
Putting the solutions in the hands, literally the hand with an iPhone of the patient, this is the answer. This is exactly where medicine is going. It has to. It has to.
It's amazing what a bit of code and technology being brought together could do. I think the research kit is truly something that's going to change the world. The iPhone itself was a device meant to change the world. And here we are almost, 8 years later, and we're just coming to the point that medicine can be advanced in ways that we never thought possible. So yeah, the research kit, 2 thumbs up. Amazing. Woo! Research kit, yeah! Let's do that. It's amazing what a simple cell phone could do.
You gotta know I'm feeling love. You gotta know I'm feeling love. You gotta know I'm feeling love. Made it go, I'll never love her. Another one, another you. It's gotta be love, I said it.
Is it me, or does anybody else feel like Dr. Dre himself chose that song?
The new MacBook is the result of a collective obsession to simplify its essential components to create the most efficient design possible. It's a product that couldn't exist without invention across many disciplines. A full-size keyboard is the most familiar, comfortable, and accurate typing platform. It defined the width of the new MacBook. To make it thinner and more precise, we created a sturdy, single-assembly butterfly mechanism. Combined with a new stainless steel dome switch, this reinforces the keyboard's balance and stability. Each individual key is now lit by a single LED. This enables better, more deliberate illumination. A Retina display delivers the very best viewing experience. To engineer the thinnest Retina screen for a Mac, we've refined every component, from the glass down to the pixels. It delivers the vivid brightness and performance you'd expect, but in a design that's thinner, lighter, and 30% more power efficient. We've designed a force-sensing, multi-touch trackpad. This adds a new dimension of interaction. Touch sensors make the entire glass surface active. Force sensors measure a wide range of pressure, from the lightest tap to the deepest press. The pressure you apply activates an electromagnet that responds with tactile feedback. So now, instead of just seeing what's happening on the screen, you feel it too. To make all-day battery life possible, we have developed new battery technologies. We actually changed the construction and internal chemistry of the cells, which are now manufactured in discrete sheets. These sheets are stacked in a terraced structure that was developed along with the external enclosure. The design allows for 35% greater battery capacity in this compact space. To maximize performance, we took an extreme approach to miniaturization. Components were optimized and engineered to fit together to create the highest density Mac logic board yet. It's actually 2/3 smaller than any we've designed before. A fundamental goal was to eliminate the need for vents, fans, or any moving parts, allowing it to operate in silence. By consolidating the antenna with the bottom case, we were able to design an integrated aluminium hinge. This innovation, along with its unibody enclosure, makes this the first all-metal MacBook. This product is not only thin and light, its advanced wireless technologies make it truly portable. When you actually need to plug in, the new USB Type-C connector is a single port for charging, video output, and data transfer. The result of all of this is a product that's only 13.1 millimeters thick and weighs just 2 pounds. To create the new MacBook, we were uncompromising in its design and engineering. We set a new standard for portability while enhancing its fundamental components to deliver what we believe is the best MacBook yet. Aluminium is naturally strong and lightweight. It's the ideal material for Apple Watch Sport. Our engineers have custom designed a new alloy. It is 60% stronger than standard alloys, but just as light. This requires precision alloying. Raw aluminium of exceptional purity is first heated to a molten state. Tightly controlled amounts of magnesium and zinc are then added. As these elements bind together, they form a protective compound that strengthens the metal. The alloy is then poured, jet-cooled, and cast. A high-temperature treatment minimizes uneven chemistry in the billets and ensures proper grain structure. Next, a finely tuned extrusion process creates a uniform surface free of defects. After being meticulously formed, each case is machined, buffed, and then textured with microscopic zirconia beads to achieve a consistent satin finish. Finally, anodizing creates a hard, clear outer layer that helps protect against stings and scratches. We believe this aluminium alloy sets a new standard, both in the way it performs and the way it looks.
The fit and finish are absolutely fabulous. Now, the Apple Watch Sport starts at only $349 for the 38 millimeter model and only $50 more for the 42 millimeter model.
Stainless steel is both strong and beautiful. There's a reason it has long been used to make fine watch cases. For Apple Watch, we start with an alloy of stainless steel known for its strength and corrosion resistance. We then customize it through a series of alloying and processing steps to make it even stronger. While in its molten state, the composition of the metal is tightly controlled to minimize impurities and ensure hardness. This is followed by a specialized cold forging process that helps to make the metal up to 80% harder and less susceptible to nicks and scratches. The forgings are then machined in a 12-station multi-axis milling machine, achieving highly accurate uniformity across the case. It's polished to a pristine mirror finish. For the space black stainless steel, an additional diamond-like carbon layer is added to achieve a durable finish and a brilliant appearance. The bands receive the same careful consideration. Each Lynx bracelet is made from more than 140 individual parts. The Milanese loop is made from fine steel coils woven together to create a flowing mesh with a fabric-like feel. With stainless steel, we've given a traditional material a new expression.
Now, the Apple Watch collection also comes in two sizes. The 38mm starts at only $549 and ranges to $1049 depending upon your selection of the watch band. The 42mm is only $50 more. Now, the Apple Watch edition is something unbelievably unique and very special. They're also available in 38mm and 42mm sizes. Their cases are made from 18-karat solid gold. They also come with these beautiful custom designed bands with details like elegant clasp and buckles that are also made of solid gold. Now, there will be limited quantities of the Apple Watch edition. It is priced from $10,000, and it will be available in select retail stores. The Apple Watch edition is the most beautiful expression of the Apple Watch.
Thank you for all my audience members that stuck with me. I know this video was long, but again, thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on another episode of AT Tech.